The who will speak? Because Deputy Leader requested me earlier.
सर, मैं आपसे विनती करता हूं कि रूल सबको एक होना चाहिए। रूल सबको एक होना चाहिए और जब मेंबर्स बात करते हैं या उधर के हो इधर के, अगर इधर के मेंबर्स अगर अपना पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर उठाए तो आप कहते हैं हाउस इज नॉट इन ऑर्डर। वहां तो भाषण दे रहे हैं, आप उनको अलाउ कर रहे हैं। दिस इज अनफेयर, you should be fair. Allow both people.
Okay. All right. I have heard you. Now the leader of the house will speak. I have heard you.
Sir, those who create disorder in the house have got no right to raise point of order. Only the persons who are trying to create disorder in the house, they have no right to talk about point of order. If you are so much interested, obey the rules accordingly. Otherwise, the chair is the final and his direction is the final. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. I have heard the LOP. I have heard the leader of the house. I'll hear you. Let me call another speaker. Fauzia Khan is not present. Now, Mastan Rao, Sri Mastan Rao Vida. Mastan Rao Vida, not present. Sri G.K. Vasan.
Sir, 95% of our EXIM trade is by sea. Country is flourishing today economically because of the shipping sector. It is very unfortunate that the opposition does not bother about the shipping sector and the economic growth on the shipping sector. Each and every main state in the country has got important ports. There are 12 major ports in the country, more than 100 smaller ports. Ports are the economy of this country. Sir, I am supporting this bill because it is a very, very, very important bill. Sir, I would like to remind, Tamil Nadu has got 3 ports, sir, which is very important. In the country, Tamil Nadu is the only state which has got 3 ports. It is heartening to say that our Honorable Prime Minister, during his recent visit to Tamil Nadu, inaugurated development projects in the VOC port. I express my sincere thanks to the Honorable Prime Minister and I support this bill. Thank you, sir.
Dhanyabad. The next speaker is Harish Divan Ayamal. You go to your seat and Mr. Bidan, you go to your seat. Sir, वो बोल रहे Sir, उसके बाद आएगा point of order.
Sir, we are demanding a discussion on SIR, sir, Special Intensive Revision, sir. That is our demand, sir. Why don't you allow a discussion on Special Intensive Revision, sir? That is completely unconstitutional, sir. Why are you not allowing the discussion, sir? Let the House discuss about the SIR, sir. House has the authority to discuss about what is happening. 65 lakh voters being put out in Bihar, sir. Why is 65 lakh voters being put out in Bihar?
Well, I have asked you to speak on the bill,
sir. Why don't you allow a discussion on SIR, sir? 65 lakh voters are going, migrant laborers are going out of the electoral list, sir. Why don't you allow that, sir? How don't you allow that, sir? 65 lakh migrant voters are there.
Please. If you are not interested and you are not speaking on the bill, then it is not going on the record. I think you are not interested. Let me call another speaker. The last speaker is Sri Dr. V.C. Dasan. Dr. V. Shivdasan. Dr. V. Shivdasan.
Yes, respected chair. Here, respected chair, they are discussing the ship, but what is the aim of the shipping bill? This is for the deportation. The thousands of people, they are struggling for their name in their voters list. SIR is a serious crime against the people, sir. So we should
Nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record. बोलिए. It will not go on record. It will not go on record.
मैं आपका ध्यान 258 की तरफ आकर्षित कर रहा हूं। औचित्य का सवाल। मैं सिर्फ ये कहना चाहता हूं।
This is not on the subject, Mr. Deputy Leader. Honorable Deputy Leader, this is
औचित्य का।
If you have to speak, you speak on the subject.
औचित्य का प्रश्न जो मेरा है।
धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Chairman, sir. As we bring our deliberation on this
मैंने
marriage
सुना
of
उसको।
goods by the
मैंने
Senate
सुना।
2025 to a close, I wish to sincerely thank the honorable members for their constructive engagement, thoughtful insights, and the theme of this shared purpose that the defined of the discussion. Sir, this cargo of goods by Civil 2025 intend to repeal and replace the 100 years old pre-independence legislation, Indian Carriage of Goods by Sea Act 1925. The repeal of this pre-constitution era legislation and this replacement with a new legislation is a part of the great initiatives of this government to rid ourselves of this vestige of this colonial mindset and to ensure ease of understanding and ease of doing business through simple and rationalized law. Sir, under visionary initiative of usuring transformation through reform of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, we have replaced more than 1,500 old redone laws, replacement them with updates, simple and rationalized modern law in this harmony with latest global best practices. This has streamlined our legal system, usured in ease of understanding, heralded ease of doing business, and promote effective government. Sir, this Act of 1925, substantially based on this international Convention for the Uniformation Ratification Rules for Law, dating the Bill of August 2095, which are called Hague Rules. This convention was amended by the Brussels Protocols of the February 1968, which is called Risby Rules. Sir, this bill is not merely statutory reform, it reflects bordered philosophy of governance led by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji to replace complexity with this clarity, outdated with this modern standard, and the colonial reform which is forward-looking laws that serve the interest of
फाइनल पढ़ लो भाई, फाइनल कर
Yes, Mr. Minister.
Sir, I extend my gratitude so that M. Thamburudai ji, Ayodhyaram Reddy ji, and Shri Prafullo Patel ji. Supporting this bill, Shri Thamburai ji raised the issue of security and the movement of the contraband through this.
लास्ट लाइन पढ़ लो भाई,
अरे last line तो
ये पढ़ लो।
Thank you, sir.
Dhanyavad. The question is that the carriage of books by C Bill 2025 as passed by the Lok Sabha be taken into consideration. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. We shall now take up cross by cross consideration of the bill. You have to go to your seat. If you need division, you have to go to your seat. You cannot demand division from the well. Now, clause 2 stands part of the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 2 is adopted. Clause 3 stands part of the bill. There is one amendment by Dr. Fozia Khan. Are you moving the amendment? No, not present. I shall now put clause 3 to vote. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 3 is adopted. Clause 4 stands part of the bill. There are one amendment by Dr. John Bitas. Dr. John Bitas.
Yes, sir. Sir, use the mic, sir. Use the mic.
Yeah, mic is there.
Sir, I am moving the amendment and I am pressing for it. Division. I want division also. Yes. I am moving.
House is not in
that
order.
is your responsibility.
Everybody will have to go to
That
their
is your
seats.
responsibility.
They don't need
I
to do that.
am standing on my seat.
No,
I am
not
sta-
Dr. Bitas.
Your responsibility.
No.
It is your responsibility. Sir,
You cannot.
I am moving. I am moving. I want division.
I request
I want division.
John Bitas. I request all of
Sir,
you to
your
go to your
responsibility.
seats. I am hearing John Bitas.
Yes. How are you passing it? Sir, my amendment may be taken into consideration.
Amendment moved.
It is my right.
Those in favor,
I am on
please
my
say
seat,
aye.
sir.
Those against, please say no. I think the noes have it, the noes have it, the noes have it. The amendment is negated. I shall now put clause 4 to vote. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 4 is adopted. Clause 5 to 8 stands part of the bill. Those in favor, please say ayes. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 5 to 8 are adopted. Clause 9 stands part of the bill. There is one amendment by Dr. Bitas. Dr. Bitas, are you moving the amendment? Dr. Bitas, not in the slot. Amendment not moved. I shall now put clause 9 to vote. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 9 is adopted. Clause 10 stands part of the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 10 is adopted. Clause 11 stands part of the bill. There is one amendment by Dr. John Bitas. Not moved. I shall now put clause 11 to vote. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 11 is adopted. Clause 12 stand part and clause 12 and schedule stand part of the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 12, the schedule are adopted. The preamble, clause 1, the enacting formula and the title stands part of the bill. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The preamble, clause 1, the enacting formula and the title are adopted. Now, the Minister, please move that the bill be passed.
I move that the bill will be passed, sir.
The question is that the bill be passed. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The bill is passed. The House stands adjourned to meet at 11 a.m. on Thursday, the 7th August 2025. Thank you.
Debate. So when we are raising our voice, we are being interpreted outside that the opposition parties are disrupting the house.
Thank you.
And that time, sir, why those people should make a CGI? Why should they group into really an indignity to the members of parliament? We consider it as an insult, sir. Why you should be treated? He has never attempted to do anything out of the way. Undemocratic. Why was it treated like that, sir? Who allowed them to come inside? Sir, you are the authority of the house. Mr. Chairman. No. You are the authority. Whose permission they came here? Did you order for them to come into the hall of the house? Did they troop into the room?
No, at 2 p.m. It's not.
जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस ये तीनों का एक साझा बहुत बड़ा कामयाबी है जिस पर 140 करोड़ को नाज होना चाहिए, देश की जनता को नाज। मान्यवर, मैं तो गया था वहां पर जब ये घटना हुई, दूसरे दिन इनके परिजनों को मिला था। 6 दिन की शादी वाली बच्ची विधवा होकर मेरे सामने खड़ी थी। आज तक मैं वो दृश्य नहीं भूल सकता। मगर आज सारे परिजनों को मैं कहना चाहता हूं